Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is what triangle. And in that class we discuss some important concept related to triangle, and we already discussed about all the three important criteria of similarities related to the chapter triangles. Now in today's class we take and solve some important questions based on similarity of triangles. Okay, so let's see some important questions, and your questions is this is a very important question of your NCRT exercise. So your question is, the in the given figure, AD and CF are two altitudes, two two altitudes of triangle ABC. Prove that okay, first part, prove that triangle AEF similar to triangle CDF. Second part is what? Second part is triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. Third part is what? Triangle AEF is similar to triangle ADB, and fourth one, triangle FDC is similar to triangle BEC. Okay, and your figure is this is A, this is B, this is C. No, this is A. This is A, this is B, and this is what, dear students? C. Okay, and CE, C and AD. Sorry. AD and CE. Okay, CE and AD. Okay, now they are in, and this intersect at point F. Now look, dear students, this is the figure, and with the help of this figure we have to show that ki first of all AEF similar to triangle CDF. So this is a very important question of your NCERT exercise. So let's see. First of all, we take the first part of that question and simplify them. Okay, let's see. So let's see its solution. First of all, we have to show that to prove, first part is what? To prove triangle AEF is similar to triangle CDF. Since from figure we take both the triangles from figure, in triangle AEF and triangle CDF. Look, so in triangle AEF and CDF, okay, so in triangle AEF, so angle AEF is equal to angle CDF. AEF is equal to angle CDF, because of this is each equal to R. Each equal to, dear students, R. Okay, and Now look again from figure. In that triangle A EF and CDF, angle AFE is same as triangle CFD. Because of this is these are the vertically opposite angles, and the vertically opposite angle are what, equal to each other. So now again from figure, angle AFE, angle AFE is same as angle CFD. These are the vertically opposite angle. Thus, by angle similarity criteria, by angle similarity criteria, triangle AEF is similar to triangle CDF. Hence proved. Okay, dear students. So in this way, we take and solve the first part of this question. Similarly, dear students, we take and solve the second part of this question. Let's see. Now we take the second part to prove triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Now, since from figure in triangle ABD, okay, in triangle ABD and triangle CBE, we have, let's see what we have, dear students. In that triangle, look, dear students, in triangle ABD and triangle CBE, in that triangle, angle ABD, angle ADB is same as angle CEB, this is each equal to what, dear friends? 90 degree. And angle in that triangle ABD and CBE, that angle B is common. Angle B is equal to angle B. This is common angle. Okay, that is by AA similarity. Thus, by AA similarity, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CB. Hence proved. Okay, so in this way, dear students, we take and solve the second part of this question, which is one of the most important question of your syllabus. Okay, similarly, dear students, we take and solve the third and fourth part of this question. Let's see. Now we take and solve the third part of this question, which is now to prove. We have to show that triangle AEF is congruent to triangle ADB. Since from figure in triangle AEF and triangle ADB we have what we have. Let's see. In AEF is where AEF and ADB. AEF and ADB. Look, in that triangle, angle AEF is same as angle ADB because of this is each equal to what? 90 degree. Each equal to 90 degree. And in both the triangle AEF and ADB, angle A is common. Angle A is equal to angle A. This is the common angle. Thus, by AA similarity, triangle AEF is congruent to triangle, similar to triangle ADB. Hence, proved. Okay. So, dear student, this is the method to solve that question. Let's see once more time. Dear students, in all part of this question, we just define the two corresponding angles are equal. If two corresponding angles are equal, then we can say that the given triangles we consider the considered angles are similar to each other. This is the concept of similarity. In previous classes we already discussed about that type of questions, that type of theorems. Now similarly we take and solve the last part of this question. Let's see. Now we take and solve the fourth part of this question to prove what we prove. Triangle FDC is similar to triangle BEC. Since from figure in triangle FDC and triangle BEC we have, look, FDC, that angle and BEC. So angle FDC is equal to angle BEC. Because of this is each equal to 90 degree. And look, in triangle FDC and BEC, angle C is common. Angle C is common in both the triangles. Angle FCD is equal to angle BCE. That is angle C. This is common angle. This is common angle. Okay. Thus, by AA similarity, triangle FDC is similar to triangle BEC. Hence, prove the last part of this question. Thus, dear students, in this way, we prove all part of this question of your, and this is one of the most important question of your NCERT exercise. So, in this way, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Now, we take and solve some other important question based on these topics. Let's see. now we take and solve some other important question of your NCRT, and your question is E is a point on side AD. E is a point on side AD, on side AD, okay, on side AD, produced of a parallelogram, produced of a parallelogram of a parallelogram ABCD and B intersects CD and B intersects CD at F. CD at F. CD at F. Okay. Prove that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. CFB. This is the question, and your figure is E is the point AD, ABCD. Here this is ABCD is a parallelogram. If E is a point on side AD produced of parallelogram ABCD and B intersects CD, okay, E produced to this there E, and dear friends, B intersects CD at F. Now look, B intersects CD at F, and we have to show that ABE is similar to triangle CFB. This is also a very important question of your NCRT book. Now let's see its solution. Since from figure we take triangle ABE, okay, we take triangle ABE and triangle CFB, okay, CFB. We have CFB, CFB. Okay, now look, in both the triangle, this is ABE, that one, and CFB, that one. Okay, now look, in that triangle we have what we have. Look, CFB, because of ABCD is a parallelogram, since ABCD is a parallelogram, that is AE parallel to BC and BE as a transversal and BE as a transversal, that is angle, which angle? AEB, angle AEB is same as angle CBF. These are the alternate interior angle. Because of alternate interior angle are equal to each other. Alternate interior angle are equal to each other. Okay. AEB is same as what? CBF. Okay. CBF. AEB is equal to CBF. These are the alternate interior angles. And dear friends, in triangle ABE and CBE. Look now, and as well as you know that by the concept of parallelogram, by the concept of parallelogram, in parallelogram the opposite angles are equal to each other. The opposite angles are equal to each other. Okay. So now angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle. This is the what opposite angles of parallelogram, because of you know that very well the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal to each other. Thus, dear students, angle A is equal to angle. This is the opposite angles of a parallelogram. Okay. The thus since by AA similarity, thus by AA similarity triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. So dear student, in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Based on these topics. Now first of all you revise all the questions which we discussed in that class, and after that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT. Now we take and solve some other important question of your NCERT exercise based on similarity. Let's see. Based on similarity. Let's see dear student some other important question. And question in the given figure, this is also a very important question of your NCERT exercise. In the given figure, OA upon OC is equal to OD upon OB. OD upon OB. Prove that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. And the figure is, look, this is the figure ABCD. ABCD intersect at point 2. This is angle 1, this is angle 2. Okay, this is the figure dear students, and we have to show that ki angle A is equal to that angle is equal to that angle, and that angle is equal to that angle. So look, since from figure, now let's see its solution. Since in triangle, since from figure in triangle AOD and triangle COB, we have, look, OA upon OC, OA upon OC, you know, OA upon OC is equal to OD upon OB, OD upon OB, OD upon OB. Okay, or we can write OA upon OD is equal to, transfer that side, transfer OC upon OB. We can write also in this way also. Okay, ठीक है. Take equation number 1, and from figure angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is the vertically opposite angle. Thus by the concept of side congruence criterion, Thus by side one pair of side and the included angle between them are in the same ratio, and thus by S uh, similarity triangle AOD is similar to triangle COB. Thus by the concept of similarity, if two triangles are similar to each other, then their corresponding angles are also equal. Then angle A is equal to angle C, that is angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Hence proof. This is the concept of similarity. Now first of all we have to show that ki both triangles are similar to each other, and they are similar. If it is similar, then we can say that their corresponding angles are also equal. Okay, so in this way you can solve that type of question. Now we take and solve some other important question of your NCERT exercise. Now here we take and solve some important question of your NCERT exercise, and your question is in the given figure. If triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, prove that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. This is the question here, and your figure is, look, your figure is A and triangle DE and CD is equal to, now CD join B. Now let's see solution. Since triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, this is ABE ACD, these are congruent to each other, which is given. Thus by CPCT what we have, AB is equal to AC. We write AB is equal to AC. Okay, AB is equal to AC and A is equal to what? AD. A is equal to AD. We have to show it ADE and ABC similar. Now, so we can write what? We divided by them, so we also write AB upon AD. Look, we can write we write in this way, AD is equal to A. We take 1, this is 2, thus 1 by 2, so AB upon AD is equal to what? AC upon AE, AC upon A. Okay, or we can write AB upon AC is equal to AD upon A. Take equation number 3. Okay, the AB upon AC is equal to AD upon A. Okay, now look, so thus in triangle ADE, now in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, we have what? AB upon AC, we have AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AE, and angle BAC is same as angle CA DAE. This is common. Thus by SAS rule similarity, what I write? We write as triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Hence proved. Okay, thus dear student, in this way you can prove we can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. So first of all you revise all the question, and complete revise all the question which we discuss in that class and complete your NCERT exercise. Okay, now in next class we take and solve some other important questions. Now thanks to all.